So hi friend, this is Amit. Here is the biggest update of this hour. If your rank is not good in JEE and you are thinking you will not get the seat in JOSA, so there is a good news and important update that CSAB schedule has been announced for this year. It is 2024. So इन्फॉर्मेशन हिंदी में जानने के लिए मेरे हिंदी चैनल एडमिशन एकेडमी पे जा सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है. So I am going to provide you complete information step by step, but here I am going to provide you the schedule that is most important. In upcoming days you will get the cutoff video as well, that is for NIT, how much rank you can expect in the CSAB counseling 2024. So please try to listen my words very carefully so that you will get the complete information. So here they have informed everything that is about the CSAB counseling and last year cutoff also you can check, but in CSAB last year cutoff will not work because there is lots of fluctuation, lots of up and down in cutoff rank. If you want to check previous year, check for 3-4 year, then you will understand my words. So here I will try to provide you the schedule first, and you can also check on the website everything. So later I will provide you the complete information, that is step by step who are eligible, but in one sentence I will tell you all students are eligible, but for different type of a student, if you are having seat in JOSA or you haven't participated in JOSA, there are different rules to participate in CSAB, and there is very big risk in CSAB counseling. You may lose your previous seat, you may lose your money also, you may have to drop for the next year. So lots of thing is there, but if you do everything correctly, there is no problem in CSAB counseling and you will get the better seat for sure. So if you want my guidance, you can contact me in the description. You will get the link of my complete counseling guidance course for CSAB counseling. Once you register, I will be providing you one-to-one guidance through me. You will be getting everything. So here is the information for the category restoration. Means in suppose in JOSA you have provided as a EWS, but your document verification is failed and now you are a general student. So in CSAB you will have the chance again to provide your original EWS seat if you will make the certificate up to that time, that is up to 26th of July. So that will be done from 26th of July 10 a.m. up to 27th of July 5 p.m. Now if you talk about last day to respond to the query, if they will raise any query on your document, you have to do that up to 12 August 29th of July. Now if you talk about the vacancy, that is the most important thing regarding the CSAB, because all the seat that will be not filled, that will be vacant after JOSA, that will be filled through CSAB counseling. So here that will be uploaded on the website of CSAB, that is display of vacancy after JOSA round will be done on 29th of July 5 p.m. So I will update you about each and everything through this channel only, so please try to subscribe the channel. And you have to, and registration and different type of thing, that is registration and fee payment of IF1, SRPF, different type of fee is there. I will explain you about each and everything regarding the fee refund policy also, so that you can be sure about payment. So from 31st of July up to 2nd of August 5 p.m. you will able to do that, and choice filling will ends on 3rd of August. So in the same time you have to pay the fee, do the choice filling, everything I will be guiding you for all the process. And thereafter display of CSAB round 1 allotment on 5th of August, you will get the round 1 allotment. Thereafter lots of decision making will be done. Based on the decision making, you will get the seat or you may lose your seat, you may have to regret later, everything will be there. There is freeze, float, slide, but surrender, withdraw, there are multiple type of option, I will explain you later. That will be done from 5th of August, that is after allotment, up to 7th of August 5 p.m. And on the same time you have to do the online reporting also, that is you have to pay the institute admission fee too, and you have to upload the document if you haven't done it earlier. So now if you talk about last day to exercise, surrender, withdraw, if you want to withdraw from counseling process, 8th of August 3 p.m. you can say, that is 15 hours, means 3 p.m. in the afternoon you will able to do. And last day to respond to the queries of document verification. If you upload something, there will be some query, if your document is wrong, that will be done up to 8 August 5 p.m. And second allotment will be done on 10th of August, and thereafter online reporting will be done from 10 to 12, and last day to resolve the query on 13th of August, and thereafter 10 to 14 physical reporting to the college. You have to visit and take the final admission and your class will start. So this was about the schedule. Soon I will try to provide you a step by step process, what are the term and condition, rule, refund rule, everything about the counseling process of CSAB. So please try to subscribe the channel. Thank you. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is JOSA, CSAB, JAG Delhi, JAG Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSAT, COMEDK, EEEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background, so there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So on the screen you can check the detail in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending a bit.